Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna show you the preparation of paneer bhurji. Please find the ingredients here. I'm gonna take 1 cup of grated paneer here and 1 cup of finely chopped tomato, 1 cup of finely chopped onion, some coriander, salt for taste, some jeera, some haldi powder, dhania powder and red chili powder. Please note down the ingredients. Now we are gonna see the procedure. Now I'm gonna grate paneer here. Now I'm gonna show you a thing which we are using at our home. This is an onion chopper. So what I have done is I have taken some onions and I have cut them into big pieces, and now I have put them inside the chopper, and the procedure I'm showing you is very simple, and this can be used when you wanna use very finely chopped onion and tomatoes for your recipe. That's it. Please see Please see the onion, how finely chopped it is. I'm taking it into the bowl and I'm gonna repeat the process again. This onion chopper I took it from Amazon, retailed for rupees 250 if I'm not wrong, and this is a Pigeon product, guys. Do check it out. It is a very nice one. It helps us a lot when we are trying to use some ingredients which are finely chopped. Not only onion and tomato, if you want to use any other ingredient which you want to use it finely chopped, you can use it. We are done with onions. Now I'm gonna chop tomato in the same manner like how we did for onions. I have made tomato into pieces, some big pieces, and now I'm gonna finely chop them using the onion chopper. You can see how finely chopped the tomatoes are. I'm transferring them into a bowl and I'm gonna repeat the process for another tomato. So for this curry I have used 2 onions and 2 tomatoes. I'm cutting few coriander leaves. Transferring them as well into a bowl. Now we'll get into the cooking procedure. I have taken a kadai and put it on stove, and I have taken 4 spoons of oil. Left it to get heated. After oil gets heated, we have to add little amount of jeera. Once the jeera gets fried little bit, we are gonna add the finely chopped onion, the cup of onion which we have prepared a while ago. Stir it well and leave it to get fried for a while. While the onion is getting fried, we are adding a pinch of haldi powder to it. I'm stirring it again. For the onion to get fried easily, in a very shorter time, we can add a pinch of salt to it. I'm stirring it well. Now I'm gonna add half spoon of ginger garlic paste. And again stir it well. Now I'm gonna add the finely chopped tomato which we have prepared a while ago. Now I will be adding half spoon of salt and mixing it well. And then I will be adding 1 spoon of red chili powder. Now I'm adding half spoon of dhania powder to it. Now I'm gonna add the grated paneer which we have kept a while ago and mix it well. And then I will be adding little bit of water to it. Now I'm adding the coriander which we have cut a while ago and mixing. That's it guys, we are done with our paneer burji. Please try it at your place and do let me know in the comment section have you liked it or not. Please do